yeah, okay. I'm very interested in my game, like, I'm very ugly. And, yeah, if you're wondering why I'm not actually a boy, the whole spotlight is only because I made a character. He's an OC. He's a boy, so yeah. So this channel is based off of him. Why I don't talk often, or at all. So it's kind of okay, well, yeah. This is a nice. Should I keep doing this? How do I? Is this camera like really just small? Hold up, can I fix that? I don't think I can. Oh, whatever. Screw it. Very cute little guy. Oh no, I'll put that down. Oh, sorry. Nothing really to do. So yeah, I'm glad I get to talk now, actually. You know what? I feel great. I feel great now. I'm lucky. And I get attention from that. Finally. Not a boy. Yeah. But I feel like I was a boy. Because it's just spotlight and not my other children. But yeah. So basically my main idea. Anyway, without further ado, let's just go into whatever we're gonna do. Not one of the things. I don't think I have like anything. And I can do it more. No, there's still anything. Nope. Nope. No. Okay, nothing there. Nothing else. What's this thing? Stop, my sister. My kid more. But you know. Yeah. Cut that away. Get there. This one's hopefully not copyrighted. Music, I think? Well, I mean, they're gonna be copyrighted. But you can. Oh, it's like Wolfie instead. This is a good video. What have we animated so far? Right here. The floppy ears right here. Okay, that was short, but still cool. What time is it? Again. Anyways, that was yeah. Let's watch, let's see, ew, let's see, I don't know, I'll be back with you in just a sec.
Online expectation versus reality. If this isn't the truth, I don't know what is. The worst part about this is that there is a celebrity here. So you're like, oh, if it's good enough for Kourtney Kardashian, it's good enough for me. Meanwhile, this isn't the same one Kourtney Kardashian's wearing. Because this looks like, I don't know what that looks like. It looks worse than pajamas. Like, I wouldn't even wear that to sleep, and that's how bad it is. And I wear, like, dirty old baggy t-shirts to sleep, and this is just not happening. I'm not feeling this. So this person thought they were buying a realistic looking snake belt. But look at what they got. Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes.
That's like a dinosaur. Hold up. That look hella like a dinosaur. Do you see it? The head right here? Whatever. I don't want to watch Essieland. I mean, I like her videos, just Okay, that's okay. Well, anyways, check out my channel. My channel. Are they ready to be watched? Hey. Oh, the other one didn't get uploaded. Let me just upload that. Bloop. Right here, right? Be back. Anyways, my picture just gone. It just disappeared out anywhere. But who cares? So here's the actual video. Just I don't want to watch it. My videos suck. So yeah, if you ever get past my channel, and yeah, I mean, get ready for sucky content. Messed up there. Well, anyways, bye guys.